Hey everyone. So yesterday I did this bloom, and then when I went to have a look at it on my camera, I was using a new software, and I don't know what happened, but it just didn't record at all. So I'm not sure about the settings or anything, but I thought I'll continue from here. So what I did was put I took a little bit of pigment and put it into my white mixture and got this pale pink. So from now I'm going to go a shade deeper just to see how this turns out. All right, so stay with me and go from there. Not sure what to do actually, whether to put the ink in there or just do one of these. I might as well just do this, see how it turns out. So I put 3 drops in. It's disappeared. Oh, there it is. When I did the other one, I did it in the opposite direction, coming down. This one I'm going to go up. Let's see how it turns out. I just put a little bit on the inside. won't be able to see this anyway, but just playing. So it seems as though it's like I've taken 4 drops with 30 mils, but it still seems very thin. Like very thin. So I don't know why. I don't even know whether they're going to bloom. Oh well, check it out. See how we go. Hi guys. So I went ahead and unmolded it. Silicone everywhere. Okay, so I don't know if I'm happy with the end result, but you take a look at yourself. So those are the little stems in the middle. Those were the petals. I did mix very tiny gold dust or silver dust or something in it that they use. What is it called? White luster mica pigment. So I added just a tiny bit of that, so that's given it a shimmer, and I like it. But my question was, why did the minute I used that pigment into the paste, it became like a transparent I think it did come out pretty. I love the way the petals came out, but it's not intense. So what do you guys think? The deep pink at the back, apart from giving it a little bit of color, didn't do nothing. I think it's the black that has pushed the flower forward. I'll bring you down. So the petals seem very like delicate. They're definitely there. Oh well. To the next one. Leave a comment, tell me what you think and why it was so, why it went so transparent the minute I put that pigment in to my white base. It would be awesome to get some feedback. Thank you. See you.